Alrighty.
Damn, it's a nice one. Get the net?
Yeah. Oh, he's pulling too, bro.
Can't believe you didn't get your drag on a little bit.
I got the drag.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, it's just. Oh man, look, is he pulling?
Damn, that's a nice fight one.
Oh man, he's got me. He's got me good.
Yeah.
Come on this side.
I am trying to go.
Come on. Come on, he's not giving up, bro. Fuck, dude.
Probably the biggest one we ever caught out of here.
Think so?
Uh-huh.
Oh man.
Oh, that's nice. Man. Watch out, boy, you're in a tree.
I know, bro. Oh man, take a picture of that one. Oh man.
I think that's the biggest one.
3-7. So you caught one on a Ned rig too, right?
Yeah.
that's what I would be throwing too. I got a Ned rig hooked up. Yep.
Got one real in.
Yep. Not a big one. Damn it, lost him.
Got him?
Mm-hmm. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. I don't want to break my line. Man. Come on.
No.
Amateur.
Sounds like a no.
Number 4. That one I got.
Caught him up there too.
Hmm? No, I caught him up there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
He ran it out. Hello, Mr. Bass. I haven't had a bad day.
No, yeah.
Crybaby bitch.
Man,
You don't want to let me set you up?
you're going to set me up a little bit.
Huh?
You're going to set me up a little bit.
Well, I am, huh? Well, there's a guy over there.
Just square and throw a couple of times cinco.
There's a guy over there.
That one, huh? He's got it reeling in, or was he already took off with it?
No, he was over by the weeds. You see where he's at?
Yeah, that motherfucker's going, huh?
Mm-hmm. They fight, man.
I know they do.
Come on. Come on, little bitch. Number 6. 8 foot. Probably 9 foot because that transducer is about a foot under the water.
Yeah.
I was gonna change you back there, but fuck you.
Now let's look this clear. Some of this is not big. And I'm not like, what do you call it, brother? Like I'm after trying to go after females and shit, but a lot of females do, they would, you know.
No, they want you for they want
Shit like that, like nerd.
they want you for
37, 38 years old, you know, 40 something years old.
that's a good one, bro.
Oh, boy.
That is a good one. I need the net.
Yep.
Damn, that's a good one. Please don't break my line. Oh shit, man, bro. He's running. He's running, bro. Oh shit. He's running, bro. He's going. I gotta follow him.
I hope this is a 5-pounder.
Huh?
I hope this is a 5-pounder.
This is a big one, though.
Yeah, I hope this is a 5-pounder, though.
Hope he's not in these weeds. I think he is. Fuck. Oh, he's coming out.
Come on. Where come on?
Nah, he's not. He's not as big as I thought he was. He's coming to you, so.
Yeah, I know, man.
Oh, hell yeah.
You gonna weigh it?
Hold on, bro. You gotta. I don't know. I gotta get my hand in his mouth first. Oh, yeah, we're gonna weigh that one.
Oh, that's good for me.
Look at that one, guys.
No.
Oh, wow.
Damn. Alright, where is it? Don't see my baby.
3.6.
Finally, dog. Finally, dog.
Movement. Right there. Nothing. Fucking dude. Yep, little one. Nice one though.
Oh, fire, motherfucker.
I know, man. They're crazy. Ah. Ooh, fell right out. Look,
Yeah.
number 11. You missed the spot right there. That's the spot. That's the spot. You got the spot. Easy, bro.
I am, bro. I got it, bro.
You need to lip them.
Oh, yeah. It's two.